Here at the Black Boy Inn, Caernarfon, we have been offering hotel-style accommodation and dining of distinction for more than 5 centuries. We have a selection of local and well-known ales and spirits, with something for everyone's taste. At the Pedwar a Chwech restaurant, the locals' favourites, diners are offered a wealth of choice and flavours. Depending on your mood, taste or occasion, you can choose between our hearty a la carte restaurant menu and our chalkboard of seasonal specials. Our head chef Marius prides himself on being innovative and adventurous, where local fresh ingredients take priority in his dishes. At the Black Boy Inn, each of our 16 ensuite bedrooms has its own charm. Whilst updating the rooms to a high standard, we have strived to retain the unique character and atmosphere by using local traditional building materials with handmade furniture and quality fittings. Blackjack's is a 10-bedroom building in the courtyard area of the inn. 8 of these rooms have mini kitchens and a small seating area. Tŷ Dre is the latest addition to the Black Boy Inn. It is situated in the High Street, 200 yards walk from the Black Boy. The building is Edwardian with 13 large airy rooms similar to Blackjack's, and whilst being located in a separate building, you can still avail yourselves of the quality food served at the Black Boy Inn restaurant. After a good night's sleep, enjoy a hearty breakfast with choice of continental or full Welsh. As always, the staff are at hand to make your experience a pleasant one. For further information about the Black Boy Inn Caernarfon, visit our website or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.